Welcome to Nigeria News Center. If today is your first time on this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Aircraft overshoot runway at Lagos State Airport. A United Nigeria Airlines aircraft overshoot runway at the Murtala Muhammed Airport, Lagos State, causing panic among passengers on Friday night, September 8. The incident happened at about 7:35 p.m. on run 18 left during a heavy rainfall at the airport. The aircraft was said to be returning from Owerri, Imo State, when it overshot runway 18 left by 200 meters. But thank God, no casualty was recorded in the incident. But the airline or the airport authorities are yet to react to the
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. This can only be God. God did it. God did this. God did this.
Madam, please, just say for your